it's your girl Coco Barb's back at it again with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey queen, how you doing? If you are new to my channel, what's up queen? We're glad to have you here. My name is Coco and we tackle all things beauty on this channel. We would love for you to comment down below, hit that notification button, and even subscribe and let us know that you joined the queen. Now that that's over with, let's get into the real tea, honey. The wig, okay? The wig is wigging, okay? It's giving everything that it needs to give. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I install this wig. I absolutely love it. I got this wig from Alipearl. All the details will be down below. It's 30 inches, honey. 30 inches! Let's get it! If you wanna see how I got this install popping, keep on watching the video. Without further ado, let's jump into it.
Okay, you guys, jumping right into it. This is what came with the wig, the bag, booklet, edge control brush, and elastic band. The lace is looking scrumptious. I just wanted to give y'all a close look at how that is looking. And the curls, child, oh my gosh, I'm here for the curls. This hair is so soft, luscious, shiny. I think this is probably my favorite wig by far, and I've got a lot of wigs, but I'm going to show y'all how I bleach the knots. I just take this pack of bleach that I got from the hair store. I poured all of it in. You don't need all of it just to bleach the closure. If you do have a frontal, you may use a little bit more, but right now you see me mixing in my developer, which speeds up the process of dyeing my knots, and I'm trying to achieve or get a kind of toothpaste consistency with this mixture. So I go back and forth, add a little bit, little by little, and I finally get that toothpaste consistency, and I start applying that to the closure, just applying it with my plastic knife. I couldn't find my brush, so honey, I did what I could, okay, period. So I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. I would recommend that you keep a close watch on the closure and pay attention to the knots to make sure that it's not bleeding through, that the knots are being bleached correctly. But as you can see here, I'm just going through washing the hair, really co-washing it with my conditioner from Pantene. It's very moisturizing, and I didn't want to dry out the hair with shampoo, so I just co-washed it. And the next day I just started plucking. I did light plucking, it wasn't too much, but I just wanted that realistic hairline. I kind of made like a half oval and leaving the middle alone and just plucking the sides, just so it can give that realistic look and illusion. And I don't pluck from, you know, the actual hairline. I pluck behind the hairline, and I just do it, you know, until I feel like it looks realistic, like right here. So as you can see here, I'm twisting my edges away, and I'm starting to mold everything in place with my mousse, my Lotta Body mousse. And I just want to hot comb my hair, so I'm parting each section, and I'm taking my wax and I'm combing it down. And I do this because I want the top to be flat. I want it to look seamless. I want it to look presentable, honey, okay? So I'm just hot combing everything down so it can be flat, and you see the difference from the left side and the right side, honey. The left side is giving, the right side needs some help, okay? I like hot combing my edges up in the front, and so the hair can just fall a certain way. So that's what you see I'm doing here. Now for the install, I'm going to wipe my forehead just so I can wipe my makeup off from where I'm going to lay the wig. I'm taking my even adhesive spray, and I'm spraying that on the perimeter of my head. I don't wear a wig cap. I don't sleep in my wigs a lot, so I knew I was going to take this wig off. But speaking of taking the wig off, be careful when you're taking the wig off and you're using this spray, because it's an adhesive spray. Okay, this is not got to be glued. Got to be glued is a holding spray. This spray, it does the job, okay? I promise you, my wig was on for at least 3 days. But when I removed my wig, I was thinking, oh, it's just gonna remove, you know, it's not gonna, you know, mess up my edges. Honey, my edges came right out with it, because I had to understand this is an adhesive spray and it does its job. Okay, it did what it needed to do, but I just wanted to warn y'all, if you're like me and you just want to snatch that wig off at the end of the night, honey, don't. Add some water, take the wig off correctly, okay? So now you see me just combing my hair up with the hot comb, because I want that install to look fire, okay? And I just like my hair laying and falling a certain way in the front, so that's why I'm just combing everything down. Then I'm taking my Lotta Body and working that throughout the hair. This clumps the curls together and just makes it look so shiny and lumptious. And is lumptious a word? I don't think lumptious is a word, but you know what I mean. Like, when you start messing up words trying to describe the hair, you know it's real, okay, queen? You know it's real. Look at them curls, honey. Alipearl is the GOAT of the deep wave curls. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I spent my own coin on this, and I was just in awe at how this wig turned out. Like, look at that. The length is the length. It's 30 inches, 6x6 closure. I don't think the closure was HD, but it was transparent, so I just worked with it, honey. So now you see I'm taking my leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature, and this conditioner smells so freaking good, y'all. Like, if anything, if I didn't put it in just to make the curls look good, I would just put it in just so my hair could smell edible, okay? I wanted my hair to smell really good, and it did its job at like bringing the curls together, and in the long run it just, you know, make sure the hair is in good condition. So now that my hair is shiny, luscious, and the curls are defined, I'm going to remove that elastic band and start cutting the lace. When you cut the lace, you don't want to cut a straight line, ladies. You want it to be kind of like rigid. So that's why you see me moving that way, because I don't want to cut it in a straight line. And I like to use my eyebrow razor because it naturally gives that rigid line already without me moving it. I just like to have a rigid line so you won't be able to detect where my lace starts and where it ends, okay, period. And then I'm going to cut my baby hairs. I wanted that exaggerated baby hair look, so I basically twisted all the baby hairs and then cut it with the razor and took my curling iron to curl it up just to make it easier for me to mold the baby hairs in place. And I did that on both sides. And I saw that the baby hairs were a little bit too long, so I just cut them down again and then curled them back up. And after that, I just started to mold them in place with the adhesive spray, which I should have used mousse. So I would recommend that you use mousse. But the adhesive spray, it did work. It just made the hair, like the baby hairs, look more shiny and stuck in place rather than fluffy like I wanted it to be. After I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm going to take my bronzer and apply that to the lace because I want the lace a little bit darker. I did get the transparent lace, so it appeared a little bit lighter than I would like. So I'm just making sure that I have that airbrush type look in the front, and then I'm taking a lighter concealer to define my part. And look at that, queen. And just like that, we are done. This is the install. I was so happy with it. I couldn't stop looking at the viewfinder, but y'all, I'm gonna just let y'all take this in, okay?
Okay, queens, that's it for the video. I absolutely love this install, honey. It's time to go to Tulum, honey. It's time to go to Cabo. It's time to get up and get out, okay? I'm not the same person that I was before I made this video. I need you to respect that, okay? I need you to respect. That's how I'm feeling, like, oh, this is so beautiful. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want more videos like this, comment down below, because I do, you know, have a lot of other tips and tricks that I'm just learning on, you know, while doing my hair. So I would love to share that with you. That's it for the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now, if y'all want more videos like this, definitely comment down below. I really want to gauge to see what type of videos y'all like to see from me. I love doing pretty much anything regarding beauty, hair, makeup, vlogs. I love it all. But definitely comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and we can keep them coming, honey. See y'all in the next video. Don't forget to be blessed, stay encouraged, and always be aggressive with your wave. Bye.